All right, Kyle with YOLO Trailers, and we are unboxing the 23-0 Peregrine Pro 276 arm awning. So this is a brand new product. We're about to mount it on our trailer here, but I figured we'd show an unboxing video. So, I mean, this is what it looks like shipped. You can see it's actually sitting on top of a Kabari 3.0. We'll be doing an unboxing video on that. But for now, we'll just open this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut all this tape off. And I think the easiest way is just cut it down this way. Cut it down here on the end. And just kind of unfold it. Unwrap it like you're opening grandma's presents at Christmas. Yeah, but that's it. You can see there's some cardboard packaging on the inside for protection. It's trash. Same on the other side. Really, everything is contained inside of the awning. So these are the two spare poles that don't fit in there when it's stowed. I won't open those up. That's what it looks like in the box. We'll go ahead and pull the plastic off. And so there it is. And then we'll open it up real quick just to show the hardware. Just somewhere in here. Another packaging box for shipping. One more down here. And then, well, I was hoping I wouldn't have to unfold it to get to the hardware. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, we'll open this other box. So this is the bracket. The brackets that come with it. And I think the hardware is actually in here. Yeah, so this is a bunch of guy lines and stakes. And here are your mounting brackets. These are the straps for tensioning the awning. And I'm still not seeing the hardware bag, so I'm hoping maybe it's in here. There it is. There's our hardware bag. And so yeah, we'll shoot another video. I'll link it in this video and we'll show you how we install it on our trailer.